All right, I've been watching this market now for the better part of 3 hours, 3.5 hours in pre-market as well, and it doesn't look like it's going to choose a direction on this 4,500. It's trading almost exactly at 4,500. It's got these ups and downs, but it's all right in there. It can't choose a direction. You see here off the open, it was a huge um, imbalance right here to the upside overbought, and then it just teetered out. But some of the other stocks obviously aren't correlated. Well, they are correlated, um, but they move more than the S&P 500. Like this Cleveland Cliffs, I was debating right here, putting in a put at 16 or putting in a straight buy at 16, and then it's melted up as the market is went up a little bit. So it was even right now, or it was actually a little bit down, and now it's up almost 2%. So I have actually a lot of stock right now that doesn't have any covered calls on it. And that's because some of my swing trades didn't play out, and also because some of my calls didn't get called away like I wanted them to because it was a down market. So this is what I'm gonna do. It's ex-dividend season. It's ex-dividend season. August is a big ex-dividend date. A lot of the stocks pay out in September, and this is one of them. So FE, the ex-dividend date was 9/4 or no 8/4, so it already passed. So I'm gonna get locked in on this dividend, and I'm in at this stock at 39. So it's way down here. It's pulled back quite a bit, which is typical for after ex dividend dates. Then it usually does fall, but I only want to keep this for a month or so. I'm not a long term holder of First Energy, even though it does have a decent dividend. I was looking more of the earnings swing trade. So I'm just going to hold on to this for about a month, month and a half, collect that dividend, and then collect some premium on top of that. The next one I'm going to do on this is GLW. Ex dividend date on GLW is 8/30. 8/30. So I could do this September 1. I'm in at GLW at 34. So this will give me the covered call premium, and it will give me the dividend premium because I will be locked in for that dividend. So let me go ahead and. Oh, I hate that. I hate when it goes by nickel increments. Let me go ahead and put in this, collect the dividend and the covered call premium. Couple more I got are the same exact situation. This is why people like the wheel, is because you collect the dividend, you collect the premium, and you can have the high quality stock as well. So I'm in at key at 1179. Ex dividend date is August 28th. So that's ex dividend date is past the August 25th mark. So I got to go into September 1, and I'm in at 12. Now, do I do the in the money or do I do the 1250? 12 I think is a good price to be in at key. It ran all the way up to 14 and pulled back recently. So I'm going to put in the 1250, less of a chance that it gets called away, and I collect that dividend as well. Go in and put in key, and key is a $7 dividend, or 7% dividend, which is phenomenal. KHC, Berkshire Hathaway just released that KHC is still one of their top holdings, even though it's pulled back quite a bit. I'm in at 37. Ex dividend date is August 31st. So I got to go to the September 1, and I'm in at 37, like I said, and I got to go further out. Let's see what September holds for KHC. Not much. Not much for KHC. There's a 37.50 for October. Let's see if September has a 37. Not much there. But I don't want to hold into October. So I'm going to go ahead and collect this little bit of premium and then collect the dividend as well. And hope Warren Buffett is right about this one. Although he is a long-term investor, he doesn't do things like this. wheel strategies and stuff. I got a few more that I want to do that aren't dividends. So MGM, I got assigned. I got assigned. I got assigned at 47 on MGM. So let's see at 47. Oh, there's decent premium. Let's just go through the end of August on MGM and call it a day right there. Sell 47. Let's do it at 58. I'm not really a long-term holder of MGM. This was just an earnings play, and I lost on it. So I'm just going to get rid of it as quick as I can for no loss, and maybe collect a little premium. Altria is another one. I'm in at 45. Their ex-dividend date is September 15th. And it's right here. So I'm going to just be safe and go out to September 22nd at 45 and hit that. There you go. More dividends, more premium on MO. MO actually is there's rumors that they're going to up their dividend. So I want to be in there pretty low because as soon as they up their dividend, their price target's going to go up and their buying on it's going to go up. So I hit the rumor on that. The WFC, Wells Fargo, their ex-dividend date was X3 or 8-3, so I'm already in there. I do have some shares at 45.67. 45.67. Let's see if there's any premium. 45.67. 46. Not this week. Let's check next week. At 46. No. Let's go through the end. Let's go ahead and go through the end of August, and I'll go ahead and keep these. What I'm afraid is going to happen. Let's do 46. What I'm afraid is going to happen is the market is going to get rocking as soon as it goes over that 4,500, and if it does that, all these calls will trigger. But here, if it does pull back a little bit, I'll be able to call buy all these back. So those are my trades. Quite a bit of trades. Long video, but actually that's probably like a 7 call in 7 minute type thing.